Hey guys, it's Luke, founder of Developers Academy. Today, I'm so excited to invite you to Developers Academy right now, today. Developers Academy is the world's most advanced, comprehensive training and coaching program for iOS design, prototypes, and development. I know that sometimes in your life, you set out a goal that iOS development and design is the thing you want to do in your future. Maybe you want to swift a new career into iOS development. Maybe it is your passion. You want to make it as your hobby, or right now you are in high school or college, you want to do it in your future. So we all share the same dream, we all share that passion, we all share that ambition to create apps that are used on the hands of millions and thousands of people all around the world. If anything that I learned from my journey, both personal achievement and iOS learning achievement, is that successful developers have a very strategic plan, strategy, framework, and a set of tools to learn iOS development. And that's why today I'm inviting you to Developers Academy. So here's what we do. Right now when you join Developers Academy online, you will have access to all of our courses with easy to follow, step-by-step tutorials that I will walk with you each step of the way to learn iOS development. Whether you don't have any prior programming experience or you already an advanced iOS developer, we have courses for you. Now, after each video tutorial, I will have a hands-on challenge for you to try out what you have learned in this video tutorial. And in this challenge is the thing that you will learn the most, because it's the time that you challenge yourself. You challenge out of your comfort zone and learn more and more and build your own apps, because apps that you build in Developers Academy are real-world apps. And the important part is these apps are really design focused with carefully crafted designs. Because if you look all around the App Store, the most successful apps out there are the ones that are the most beautifully designed, right? So design is really important in iOS development. Here's what we're going to do. If you don't have any iOS programming experience or any programming experience in general, or if you are familiar with Objective-C and you want to transition to Swift, then iOS Fundamentals is what for you. In iOS Fundamentals, we will start off by learning everything we need to know about the Swift programming language. We just don't cover everything. We'll learn just enough for you to get up and running with iOS development. Next, we will start off by building our first iOS app. This is a real-world app. This app will be a motivational quotes app with the most inspiring quotes from the most wisest men and women on earth. After that, we'll jump into the music playlist app. Here we'll learn so many other concepts in iOS, things like navigation controller, things like tap gesture recognizer, and so many other things. Or the most important thing in this one actually is MVC, Model View Controller. If you don't know a Model View Controller, definitely check out these iOS Fundamentals courses, because these are so important in iOS development. After that, we'll go and build this tip calculator app. This is a real-world app again. It works, it's fully functional. We'll learn so many other concepts in iOS Fundamentals in this course also. And that is the conclusion of iOS Fundamentals. If you complete that course, these courses, you'll be able to jump into the intermediate iOS development courses. Right up front, we will learn the most important concept in iOS right now, which is auto layout. Auto layout is the tool in the toolbox of iOS developers that allows you to build one app, just one app with one UI that just works on every other iOS devices out there. But the problem is auto layout is well known for its hard to approach and challenging to master tool. So with this course in Developers Academy, you will be challenged, you will be walked through with me with 15 projects in auto layout. 15 projects in auto layout. So I will assure you that after you complete this course, auto layout will become your second nature. It will become the most important tool in your toolbox as a developer. After you complete auto layout, we will jump and master all things UI tail view. Tail view is one of the most popular, efficient, and beautiful and customizable UI in iOS. And in this course, we'll build an app, Pretty Apple, to showcase all products at Apple with beautifully designed in stunning animation. And we'll learn everything about UI tail view. Next, Collection View is one of the most beautiful, customizable, and efficient UI. We'll learn everything about Collection View in this course, which is all things Collection View. With this course, we'll build a newsreader app, which will have the most popular news publishers in the world, and we'll learn to build this app from scratch with this beautiful design app again. Design is essential in iOS development. After this course, we'll use everything we learn about Table View, Collection View to jump to build a Twitter client app. With this app, this Twitter client app will teach you everything you need to know about Tail View, about iOS multi-threading, about how to fetch data from a URL. It's incredible. Now that is not the conclusion of intermediate iOS development, because we will conclude this course, this series, with the most popular UI controls in iOS course. In this course, we'll build everything in code, because if you really want to learn everything detailed behind the scene in iOS, then dealing with code is essential. We'll learn everything, things like collection view, things like scroll view, WebKit, UI picker view, and so many other things. Okay, and that is the conclusion in intermediate iOS development. Now, if you complete this course, then you will be able to jump into advanced iOS development. Here we will be even more interactive, even more exciting apps, but right up front, we will learn to design iOS apps in Sketch. Even you are a designer or you are a developer, you have to learn to design iOS apps. It is the most important skill actually in iOS development. If you have an app idea and you don't be able to design the app, then absolutely your app will fail. So design, design, and design. After you design the app, I will teach you to be able to prototype an app, to make from the design to be a prototype. And this course will teach you everything about you need to know to make a prototype with Flinto. After that, we'll build the most exciting course out there. It is to build a social networking app with Parse and Swift. This course will be a social networking app just like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, with the most stunning iOS interactive and animations out there. Next, we'll conclude advanced iOS development by building the instant messaging app. This app is inspired by the iMessage, Snapchat apps, and this app is one of the most advanced apps out there. So with this app, we'll conclude the advanced iOS development. But it is just the beginning, because right now at this time, you complete 14 projects so far. And with these 14 projects in Developers Academy, I absolutely sure that you will be so confident, you will learn a lot about iOS development. And it is the time that you decide to build your own app, to publish your own app to the App Store. And I have a course for you to publish your app to the App Store. And I will teach you how you can publish your app to the App Store, how you can use things like Facebook ads to drive sales to your app. And before doing that, you must have a way to monetize your app. So I will teach you how to use iAds to monetize your app, to put ads in the app. And also, I will teach you how to put up websites so that you can showcase your apps to the world. and maybe you want to build your own portfolio so that you can show the very potential employers that you want to be employed at that company. So these skills are very, very important for you, and we have just the right course for you. And that is the core training in Developers Academy. I call it core training because after these core trainings, you are so confident with iOS development, and it is the time for you to embark on lifelong learning journey. And with this one, we'll release each week, each month, we'll release new iOS development courses for you to try out new technologies, new ideas, new frameworks, new skills for you into your toolbox. In the future, we'll release courses like how to build an Instagram browser apps. We'll release courses like teach you how to fetch data from REST API, how to build a New York Times newsreader app, how to use iOS animation, building the most exciting, the most interactive iOS animation out there. And I know that we cover a lot of iOS animations through our 14 courses, but having a separate course, really core training about iOS animation is wonderful. We'll also teach you about custom collection view, teach you about map kits, watch kits to build app for the watch, to be able to use CloudKit, which is the parse.com of Apple's. We'll teach you about size classes, stack view, which is new in iOS 9, about building an iOS app extensions in a notification center or in the watch, or you can use UI scroll view course, core data, and if you so desire, we'll build courses to help you to develop iOS games. And that is Developers Academy. It is the world's most comprehensive training and coaching program in iOS development, design, and prototype. Now you may ask, is this one really for you? Is this one really affordable to you? I assure you that this is the time for you to decide whether you should invest yourself, you should invest in yourself, you should invest in your time to learn to realize that dream, to make that app reality, to ship that app to the App Store, to change your life. It is your time. So I really want to make this one affordable to you because I've been there. I know that you have been through a lot of struggles, efforts, and frustrations learning iOS development. Because in fact, it's really hard, it's so challenging. So I would try my best to help you. So please let me help you with that. It is out there are seminars. Usually there are 4-day seminars. So in 4 days, they might be able to cover 2 courses at Developers Academy, and they will be able to charge you $1,000. But I don't want to charge you $1,000. It is just too much. I know that, I understand that, because if you try to cover more courses out there, usually they have something called 8-week boot camps, and in this boot camp of 8 weeks, they will try to cover about 6 to 7 courses at Developers Academy, and they will charge you $10,000, about $8,000 to $10,000. But I don't want to charge you $10,000. I want you to be able to access to all of the courses at Developers Academy. I want you to be able to have a lifelong learning experience. I want you to be able to access all of our future courses because iOS is such a humongous framework system, and Apple just released new technologies, new frameworks every month, every year. So I want you to be able to access the newest, the most up-to-date technologies and tutorials out there in Developers Academy. I also know that if you want to be a success, if you want to be really successful, you may want to have me weekly give you iOS tutorials, the best practices, the best resources and tips out there. So for that one, I will also give you if you enroll in Developers Academy right now, today. And I also know that you maybe want to access to a private Facebook group that is packed with the most strivers, the most successful students, the ones that just like you really want to learn, really that hold the same ambition, that really want to ship that app to the App Store. And maybe inside that group, you find some friends to build the next company, to build your own startup. And this is priceless. I also give you access to the Facebook private group also. I also know that you maybe want me personal coaching you, personally support you, answer your questions, help you with your project, help you with your learning experience, help you with your learning journey. And I also give you that to you, me personally coaching you. And that's why I call this program, the Loopers Academy, the world's most comprehensive training and coaching program. And that is for that reason. So for the lifelong learning, usually people would charge you $200 a month for a subscription program for this complex level, for these details and so many courses in Developers Academy. But hold on, okay? Hold on, because I will make sure that I will give you a discount on this. I will make sure that I will try to make this as affordable for you as much as I can. So I just want you to understand that this is your time. This is your time to make a decision to invest in yourself, to invest your time, to learn, to grow, to make the goal, and to ship that app to the App Store, to create, to contribute. Because it is your time. Don't look any further. It is your time. Don't wait any further. It is your time to learn, to grow, to contribute. And so I also want you to be able to access to all of our courses. Right now we have 14 courses. And these 14 courses, they are $2,800 for retail price. But I will make sure that I will give you a discount on this, okay? And I want you to be able to access all the future courses, 15 courses this year to be exact, and that is $3,000. $3,000. But I will give you a discount on this also. And maybe I will give you some other bonuses, surprise for you. So stay tuned, okay? Work with me. And for the updates contents, always up to date, the newest technology out there in iOS development, I will give you that for free also, and that is $500, okay? And so I will send you weekly iOS tutorials with the best practices, tips, and resources out there. I personally curate those, and that is, usually they will charge you $200 a year for that kind of subscription. But again, there will be a surprise for you. So to access the private Facebook group, that is priceless, really. This is really priceless, because where else you can find the same persons, the same students that just want to strive to make the best apps in the world, to contribute, to build something like maybe a company to change the world like the way Steve Jobs did, right? So I will give you that also. And I will personally, privately coach you to support you along the way you join Developers Academy. I want to help you to the point I will coach you personally. Every week I'll be there in the forum, as you just have to ask your answers, and I will answer all of your questions. I'll be there every day, every week for you. So now, let me give you some bonuses, because I know that we are really the same. We really have that same ambition. We have been through a lot of struggles. Maybe you are right now, you have been some financial struggles. You have been through a lot of programs that just doesn't work for you. So I want to give you some more things. Can I do some bonuses for you? All right, so let's do that. First, I'm gonna give you the private coaching, personally support from me to you for free. Okay, that's for free, $5,000. Usually students pay me to personally coach them. I'll give you that for free, $5,000 for free. So for the private Facebook group, it's priceless. So I'll give you that also, because let's build this community into a community of students who are strivers, who are really want to build the best apps in the world to contribute, to create. Okay, weekly I also send you new iOS tutorials, resources and tips and best practice in iOS development and design and tools. So I'll give you that for free on sale, $200 a year. That's for free, alright? So when you join Developers Academy, I will make sure that you have the most up-to-date, newest content, and that is for free. $500 for free. There will be no $500. I also want to make sure that you'll be able to access all of the future courses. That is $3,000, no more, for free. So you also be able to access all the courses right now after you sign up. So if you click the button right down below and sign up for Developers Academy, you'll be able to access to all the courses right now, not at $2,800. That is gone. So that is for free, alright? So on left is a lifelong learning subscription program, and that is usually $200 a month, right? But now I mentioned that we have been through a lot of struggles together. So I want to make sure that you would join in Developers Academy right now, today, right now, okay? Make sure that you join right now. So can I do 3 other things for you? 3 other things. So the first one, I'll give you a 75% off. 75% off for Developers Academy subscription program. So instead of $200, you will just have to pay $47. $47 a month, guys. So click the button right down below and I see you over the other side. Just $47 a month, and you'll be able to have the lifelong learning journey with me, personally coaching you. You have the private Facebook group to have the best friends and peers out there. You have weekly iOS tutorials and resources. You have up-to-date contents, the newest technology. You have access to all the current courses, 14 courses. You have access to all other courses in the future, 15 courses incoming. Now, so that is $11,500 of training in total, with just $47 a month. $47 a month. So hit the button right down below and I see you over the other side, okay? It is your time to decide to invest in yourself, to make this as a real deal, to make this really seriously, to ship that app to the App Store and continue learning iOS development. This is your time. Invest in yourself. I believe in yourself. Believe that you can make it. And so to make sure that you are so confident, you are totally confident when you join the Developers Academy, I want to give you 2 other things. The first one is 30 days, 100% satisfaction, money back guarantee. So that you are totally confident when you join the Developers Academy. Maybe you want just to try it out, so try it out. After 30 days, if you don't think that this Developers Academy is the real deal to you, gives you the best knowledges in iOS development, then ask me to refund you. I will gladly reimburse that for you, no question asked. Because I'm sure that this program is the best program out there. It will teach you a lot about iOS development. So join right now and rest assured that you will have my guarantee that you will be satisfied with this program. And the third thing I want to give you is that if you, at some time in your life, if you think that you don't want to learn this anymore, you want to stop your lifelong learning journey, and I hope that that time will never happen, because learning has to be lifelong. So if that time does come, then I will give you the chance to cancel at any time. You'll be able to cancel this subscription program at any time in life, okay? So join now, just $47 a month. You'll be able to access all the courses right now, 14 courses and 15 courses in the future. You'll be able to have me as your personal coach, have other friends in a private Facebook group, weekly iOS tutorials, best resources and tips and best practices. So that's it, and I hope that someday I will see you at the Developers Academy. Join right now by clicking the button right down below, and I see you over the other side. Until then, go out there, learn new things, craft your ideas, and contribute to the world.